Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Google Merchant Center with WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, make sure that you have already WooCommerce in your website. Then we will need just to go and add an account of the Google Retail. So all we need to do is to search for Google Retail and basically you will need to create an account. So here you will need just to click on for retail and then you will need just to start. You start creating your account by adding your merchant account, etc. I will just add start. Then you will need just to search for the website that you want to add, and basically and after that, you will need just to add your online store. So basically from here, if you have already this one checked for some reason, you will be able to go to info on the company. You will need just to go to online store and you can edit. Then you will need just to add your URL of your website. Then you will need just to click on it. You click on continue and basically it will be WooCommerce in this case. So you will find many platforms or many, as we can say, many choices, and you will need just to choose WooCommerce from them, and basically you will be able to add a header. So basically, when you click on continue, for example, you will be able to receive a header. Then that header or a line of code that you will need to add in your uh, website or website code. And basically for that, you can add snippets. You can use this snippets code that would allow you to add some snippets. Then you can add this content. You will need just to click on new and you will be able to add it to your website. So basically we can just go for uh, all snippets, for example, and we can edit or create new ones if you have any other type of snippets or snippets creator or code adder to your website. After that, we will need just to add a plugin that would help us to start listing our products in the Google Merchant. So basically here we need just to go to plugins and basically we need just to search for add new plugin and then we will need to add the product feed manager. So here, product feed manager, and basically this a plugin that will allow us to list the products from WooCommerce to uh, the website. And as you can see, this is a Google for WooCommerce. You can use either this way, this one, or we can use this one. So you can just click install now and activate this one, and that's it. You have successfully created your own Google Merchant with WooCommerce. So thank you for watching and see you next time.